Hi YouTube, Tim Unkert from UnkertEducation.com here. In today's video, we're going to install Kwrite on a Chromebook. Okay, the first thing we want to do is to install Linux. To do that, we'll go to our launcher here, click on that, go to Settings, and on the left-hand side we want to find Advanced. We want to click on Advanced and that'll expand, and you should see Developers. Click on Developers, and you'll see this Linux development environment. What you want to do is turn that on. Okay, then the Linux development environment wizard will pop up. You'll click Next. You can change your username here if you want, or just use the default one they set up for you. You can change your disk size here, or use the recommended size. The disk size can be changed later on. I'm going to click Install. And that's going to take a few moments to run through and install the Linux development environment. Okay, once the Linux development environment is installed, a terminal will pop up. I'm going to expand that, and let me get the font larger so that you can see it. Okay, now I'm going to make sure everything is up to date by typing sudo apt-get update, and then 2 ampersands for sudo apt-get dist-upgrade, and I'll do a -y here, and I'll hit enter. Once the Linux development environment is enabled, we can go ahead and install Kwrite. To do that, we'll type sudo apt install Kwrite and hit enter. We'll type a Y and enter to confirm the additional space. Okay, now Kwrite should be installed, so let's open up our launcher, and we see we have the icon for Kwrite. I'm going to pin that to the shelf and then click to open. And here we go. Kwrite is installed on the Chromebook. If you like this video, please like and subscribe.